Woodpeckers peck at trees with their beaks up to 20 times per second and between 10,000 to 12,000 times per day. They make interesting sounds such as chattering or tapping to communicate ownership of a territory to rivals or to locate larvae under tree bark. Woodpeckers create tree holes for nesting, searching for food, marking territory, and attracting mates. Woodpeckers catch insects in tree holes using their thorn-like, sticky tongue, which is automatically stored between the back of their skull when not in use. They also use their beaks to create larger nesting holes, typically 15 to 45 centimeters below the exposed surface of the nest. Woodpeckers can serve as indicator species for habitat quality. Woodpeckers are crucial to ecosystems because they create cavities that many species of birds, mammals, and invertebrates use for breeding and roosting. These cavities are also reused as nests by birds like owls. To make a nest, woodpeckers line the cavity with wood pieces. The female woodpecker lays between 2 and 8 white eggs in a nest that does not require camouflage because there are no visible predators within her range. Woodpeckers have strong heads that can withstand the vibrations of pecking thousands of times a day without any problems. Their necks have natural shock absorbers that help them balance vibrations and avoid concussions. Woodpeckers have feet with 4 toes that are modified from their bird ancestors. The first and fourth toes point backward, while the second and third toes point forward. This structure provides a strong grip and balance. Their toes have long, curved nails that allow them to perch on sloping and vertical surfaces. They can walk vertically up tree trunks, making it easier for them to find food and dig nests. Woodpeckers have strong claws and feet, and short, sturdy legs. Woodpeckers are birds that often search for food in tree trunks. The American and Eurasian black-backed and three-toed woodpeckers are exceptions, as they have only 3 toes on each foot. Woodpeckers are monogamous and have only one partner for reproduction. The male and female partners work together to construct the nest, incubate the eggs, and rear their offspring. The eggs are usually round, white, and there are typically between 2 and 5. These birds do not require camouflage for their eggs since they nest in tree cavities. Usually, the male excavates the nest and incubates the eggs at night. The eggs' white color helps the mother see them during the night. After an incubation period of 11 to 14 days, the hatchlings emerge and require 18 to 30 days to fledge and become capable of leaving the nest. Most species leave their young to fend for themselves soon after birth, although there are exceptions. Several social species, including the Hispaniolan woodpecker, continue to feed their young for multiple months. According to a global survey of bird species, woodpeckers have the lowest risk of extinction among all bird families. However, habitat destruction still poses a threat to some woodpecker species. Deforestation, land clearing for agriculture and logging can significantly reduce the population of forest bird species. Some species may adapt to living in plantations, secondary growth, or open countryside with forest remnants and scattered trees. However, only a small number of species thrive in man-made habitats. The Americas are home to 2 species of woodpeckers, one of which, the ivory-billed woodpecker, is endangered and classified as extinct in the wild. Some authorities believe that the ivory-billed woodpecker is extinct, but there have been sightings of the bird in the United States, which are still debated.